Well, I struggled in that show. It was sticky, the floor was really grippy, everything was really grippy, and then suddenly I'm doing the tricks and I'm just struggling because, I don't know, the floor's grippy, I'm not rolling. And then I hear the chain flapping about, so I quickly looked at it. I didn't know I was going to get on the handlebars or not. I slowed right down and I got up there and went, great. And then I was slowing right down, almost stopped. I got straight back down again. And I like to try and do at least half a circle, like go in front of the audience when I'm up on the handlebars, because it's mind-boggling that an old guy like me can actually stand up on the handlebars. The audience can just enjoy what it is, has the time to just sit back and enjoy this big guy standing on the handlebars of this little bike. But that didn't happen. I got up, I got back down. So it's kind of crazy how it changes the effect on the audience as well. Like, you've refined each moment to have the maximum effect, and when there's a number of those moments that you don't hit, the audience has a different experience. And that's fine, like that's what they experience on the day, at the time of the show, and that's all good. However, you know the experience that you want them to have. They still have a great experience, but yeah, that's just another thing that that you just need to get your head around. But it was good. I got mobbed afterwards. I let them have a go at the cigar boxes, practice some of the contact juggling, and now I've just got to walk all that way and grab the speakers and grab the stands and the bike. I'll see you soon. Good morning, off to Leongatha, 2 hours away, because the show starts at 9 a.m. Yeah. Shoes, helmet, gloves, bike. I'm here. It's wet, it's cold. Although it's not as cold as yesterday. It's 8:15, and I like getting to the schools an hour before. And the show starts at 9, although schools aren't really open at 8 o'clock in the morning. And I've just driven for 2 hours. Oh. Okay. It's really quite the trek. That was quite the mission, to bring everything in. Well, it's all here. Quick toilet break. Shoes on. Oh. Okay. 20 minutes to set up and warm up.
Daisy, Daisy.
I'm rushing now in the warm-up. I've got to not rush, calm down, everything will be all right. The floor is nice and smooth, super grippy, but it's got a layer of something on it that slows everything down a little bit. But I've just got to, everything will be all right. Just relax. Right now, I actually don't know if I'm going to get it today, but I should. It should be fine once I'm warm, and it might take me 9 times again. And it's just so different. It's really humid, it's really sticky, it's really grippy, and it's really cold. So this is why you've got to be able to do your tricks so easily, so when the conditions are different, you can still do your tricks easily.
Okay, they'll all be on their way down.
Okay, wonderful.
Well, that's exactly right.
Just give me a couple more minutes. I still need to warm up a couple of other things. Thanks. And ride backwards. Quickly turn around while I'm still going forwards. And then forwards, backwards. Oh, there we go. That's so much better. It's so much more comfortable. Backwards. Just pretend I'm still going, okay? Just pretend I'm still going. Upside down. Thank you.
to me. 'Cause you're the tip to my top, the key to my lock, and my breakfast in the morning. You're my up to my down, and the king of my crown, and you're everything I want. You got that.
Now to get my bike in the stands. I didn't bring enough water. Back to Melbourne.